Hey everyone, how you doing? I'm just about to whip up a little snack which I absolutely adore, Asian variety, and I love this for summer, and considering it's end of May, 33 degrees outside, this is the perfect moment to make this very snack. I'm not sure it's a little bit dark in here. I've had to close some of the shutters just to keep the heat out, but hey, we can roll with that. Now this is generally what we like to call cucumber heaven. It's kind of like an Asian style pickle snack. But not one that you're going to preserve for a really long time. It's like a make it now to eat now. Also good like tomorrow if you've got any leftover, but I mean, why would you have any leftover? Look, we've got these really cute little cucumbers that are sort of Japanesey style. Just going to chop them up a little. A nice big sort of chunky bit. And pop these right into our jar already. Okay, but then also just to show you, if you only have sort of regular cucumber, also fine. I'm only going to do a little bit because I just want to show you here. So if you just sort of score the cucumber, it just gives the sort of the pickling sauce something to stick to. Cut it in half. And then if you've got one, no need, but you know, funky, we have our little crinkle cutter just for, you know, fancy pants. Like I say, nothing wrong with fancy pants. Okay, so we'll just put these in here for now. Perfect. So we're just grating up some garlic. A little pinch in this one. Little pinch in this one. Little pinch in our bowl. Then we can start adding some liquid. So we just want 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I mean, it actually doesn't need to be precise. Roughly will do. 1 rice vinegar. And then we're going 1 rice wine. Love this stuff. Even though this is super quick, I'm really impatient. I personally like just a little dash of sesame oil, sprinkle of salt, sprinkle of white pepper, a good sprinkle of sugar, a little mix up. Last but not least, a little sprinkle of sesame seeds. A little shake. I don't really know if you can see that, but that is an absolute heaven on a plate. Just to prove it. Oh my goodness. I could eat this all day long. Which, to be honest, is exactly what I'm going to do. See ya!